Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Bhosle, and now me and my group members are going to introduce a public interest litigation. So let's see what is PIL. According to PN Bhagwati, public interest litigation refers to litigation undertaken to secure public interest and demonstrates the availability of justice to socially disadvantaged parties. In other words, public interest means to benefit or advantage of the community as a whole, and litigation means the process of taking legal action in a court of law with the object of enforcing a right of seeking a remedy.
Let's talk about the importance of PIL. First one, PIL clarifies the law. 2. Help develop the law by giving judges the opportunity to interpret legislation. 3. Gives vulnerable people a voice by highlighting an important issue and providing a platform for advocating for their rights. 4. Raise awareness of important issues, encouraging public debate and media coverage. 5. It gives a wider description to the right to equality, life and personality, which is guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution of India. In basic, it protects our human basic rights called fundamental rights through the court. Due to this, any section or class of people can approach the court with their petition. In simple words, it protects the public interest by protecting our welfare and rights. PIL इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि बुनियादी मानव अधिकार यानी कि मौलिक अधिकारों से सुरक्षित दी जाती है, चाहे वो कौन से भी सेक्शन के हो या क्लास के हो। उन लोग कोर्ट में जाके पिटीशन दे सकते हैं। अगर साधारण भाषा में बोले जाते तो PIL कल्याणकारी और अपनी अधिकारों से सुरक्षित दी जाती है।
Public interest litigation, as the name suggests, is litigation for any public interest. As the word litigation means legal action. Public interest litigation stands for a legal action taken by a public spirit person in order to protect public interest. Any act for the benefit of a public. Various areas where public interest litigation can be filed. First, violation of religious rights or basic fundamental rights. Second, the basic human rights of the poor. Third, compel municipal authorities to perform a public duty. And fourth, content or conduct of government policy. Where to file public interest litigation? Public interest litigation can be filed either in High Court or a Supreme Court, depending on the situation. Both the courts have power to entertain the public interest litigation. How to file a public interest litigation? Procedure to file a public interest litigation is just like filing a general right in High Court or a Supreme Court. In High Court, if a public interest litigation is filed in High Court, then the person needs to file 2 copies of the petitions. Also, an advance copy of the petitions has to be served on the each respondent, that is, opposite party, and this proof of service has to be affixed on the petitions. In Supreme Court, if a public interest litigation is filed in a Supreme Court, then 5 sets of petition has to be filed opposite party is served. The copy only when notice is issued. Court fees. A court fee of rupees 50 per respondent has to be affixed on the petitions. Thank you.
Hello, I am Bijo. I am going to tell about procedure to file PIL. There are 2 types of court, High Court and Supreme Court. In High Court, first, 2 copies of the petition have to be filed. Second, also an advance copy of petition has to be served on the each respondent. Supreme Court, first, 5 sets of petitions has to be filed. Opposite party is served the copy only when notice is issued.
Who can file a PIL? Any public spirited person can file a PIL. The court, before accepting the PIL, ensures that the person who filed it is acting bona fide and not for personal gain or private profit or political motivation or other oblique consideration. The person filing a PIL must have sufficient interest in it. Against whom can a PIL be filed? A PIL can be filed against the state government or municipal authorities. It can't be filed against a private party, but a private party can be one of the respondents along with the concerned state authorities.
Factors responsible for the growth of PIL in India. The character of the Indian Constitution. India has a written constitution which, through part 3 Fundamental Rights and Part 4 Directive Principles of State Policy, provides a framework of regulating relations between the state and its citizens and between citizens inter se. India has some of the most progressive social legislation to be found anywhere in the world. Winter it be relating to bonded labor, minimum wages, land ceiling, environmental protection, etc. This has made it easier for the courts to hold up the executive when it is not performing its duties, ensuring the rights of the poor as per the law of the land. The regular interpretation of locus standi, where any person can apply to the court on behalf of those who are economically or physically unable to come before it as helped.
Some people can be misuses PIL. Misuse comes in various forms like publicity, private interest, political rivalry, or other oblique motives can be for its misuse. The tragedy is that it regards the flow of justice delivery system. ट्रेजेडी ये है कि यह न्याय वितरण प्रणाली के प्रवाह से रिलेटेड है.
Conclusion. The concept of PIL has facilitated access to justice for all classes of the society. The doctrine of public trust has deep roots in the constitutional commitments. Thank you.